Hi, my name is Bill Brayton, and in this video we're going to be demonstrating how a two-wire pulse generator creates an AC voltage. So we've got our positive and negative leads hooked up here and to the pulse generator. We've got our positive lead, our negative lead hooked up to our fluke meter, and our drill and our tone wheel. This is actually a 10R80 pump drive shaft, pump drive gear. So we're going to get close here. Now, normally in a transmission where it's bolted to the case, we're going to have a very fixed small voltage here. So we're going to, and that distance will have a difference on what the waveform here looks like on our fluke meter. So let's give this a try. All right, that's what the AC signal looks like. My name's Bill Brayton. Let's keep fixing transmissions together.